Hey there, I'm Trevor, the owner of Auto Nerds, and today I wanted to talk about an upcoming training class that we're having. In a little over 2 weeks, we will be having a training class here in Grand Rapids called Learn Scoping from a Nerd. This is the 4th time this class has been run here in Grand Rapids. It is designed for new Picoscope users to get over the initial hurdle to get to a level of profitability as quickly as possible. So this class is designed for new users, inexperienced users. You can have an older Picoscope. You may have a Picoscope from another vendor. You may have inherited one. You may have gotten one secondhand. This class is open to all. The class is on Saturday, September 23rd, 2023. I have scheduled it from 9 to 4 p.m. If we run late, that's fine. The class is in a shop. We will have the ability to get out scopes and actually scope cars and scope and practice with the software and practice making measurements. And this is based on a list of potential tests that I believe once new users can start to get some confidence doing these tests, they can get to a level of profitability very, very quickly. Some of the tests we're going to cover will be relative compression with a synchronization signal, fuel pump amperage signature tests, alternator ripple testing, voltage drop testing using multiple channels, crank and camshaft correlation. Those of you that deal with timing chain failures, that is probably one of the most important. Verifying fuel injector control, verifying ignition coil control. We're going to make some captures using trigger function. We are going to measure those captures using the cursors and time rulers. We will play a little bit with using math channels, and we will make and use a reference waveform, which is helpful again for those cam crank correlations. This is a day-long class. It is $185 per person. Lunch will be catered in by a local pizza place. Of the people that have attended this class earlier this year, it has been regarded very, very well. So if you or someone you know is interested in a combination of presentation, demonstration, and then also hands-on Picoscope experience, this would be the class for you. You can register now at our events page on our website. So that would be autonerds.com/events. We currently have 2 dates available. The upcoming one is on September 23rd. We have another one scheduled for December 2nd. So see you guys in class.